Hello, and thank you for joining me for this Beadwork Magazine Project Workshop. I'm Melinda Barta, editor of Beadwork Magazine. In the following video, we'll be showing you step by step how to create a beautiful project from the pages of beadwork. Let's get started. This issue's project is the Baroque Sonata Bracelet by Sandie Bachard. With just a few easy rounds of circular peyote stitch and a few embellishment stitches, we can easily make the components that make up this elegant bracelet. And of course, with any component-based design, the possibilities are endless. Here Sandie also made a nice little ring, but of course you could use these to make a necklace or any other piece of jewelry. And here are the materials that you will need. Our A beads are metallic gold size 11s. Our B beads are size 8 beads, and they are in a matte metallic patina iris finish. Our C beads are size 5 seed beads, but they have this really nice pearlescent finish on them. We have them in the antique brass colorway, and even though, as I mentioned, they are seed beads, they have the look of pearls. And the beauty of these is that they're very, very consistent in size, and they have large holes, things that are hard to get out of naturally freshwater pearls. Our D beads are 2.8 millimeter Japanese drops, and they are also in the matte metallic patina iris color. For E beads, we have more drops. These are larger. These are 3.4 millimeter, and they are metallic dark bronze. Our F beads are also drops. These are called long drops. They're Japanese, and they're 3 by 5.5 millimeter. And they are also in the matte metallic patina iris color. Our G beads are crystal bicones. They're 6 millimeter, and they are jet. So that means that they have a very solid black core, black color under this finish. But this is a 2XAB finish, and that's what gives them this nice rainbow effect. Our H beads are 4 millimeter crystal pearls, and they come in the powder green colorway. And lastly, we have a box clasp. Of course, as with in any other design, you're welcome to use any other clasp of your choice, but here Sandie used a nice filigree clasp, and it's 14 by 17 millimeters. For our thread, you can use 6-pound fire line and double the thread, as I did with this project, and I will show you in the next step. However, if you want to use a single strand, you can use a 14-pound fire line, as Sandie did for her bracelet. And of course, we need a pair of scissors. Children's scissors are always great for cutting fire line. Needles, any brand will do. Size 12 works. I also use a size 11 in this Tulip brand. And then a pair of needle nose pliers. Now, these are not in your materials list, and they're not required. I made plenty of these components without them. But if you're ever in a spot where you need to tug your needle a little bit more, especially when working with doubled thread, these can often come in handy. So let's get started making some components.